Quickle Pickle here, and as you can see, my banner is different, and that is because today I am not doing a video on the Egyptian gods, however an actual person in Egypt. I am doing a video on the different theories for the death of King Tutankhamun. He died around 20, which is incredibly young for a pharaoh, seeing as the pharaohs lived to be much longer than the average person because they were well fed and they had as much medical help, or at least as much medical help as existed back then. So they were basically first-class citizens, even more than that. And so it would be so strange for someone like a pharaoh to die so young. So obviously, it was an unnatural cause. He did not die randomly like some of the other pharaohs, like Ramses II. So, with all that said, let's get started. King Tutankhamun's skull has some damage in the back of it. Some people think that this damage could have been someone who did not support Tut's rulership. However, some people think Tut's skull could have been damaged in war or while hunting. Another theory states Tut was hunting on his chariot, then all of a sudden he fell and broke his leg, proven by Tut's damaged femur, which was a leg bone. Shortly after, his leg was infected, and he died. Tut could have potentially gotten malaria, causing him to collapse in the first place, or causing him to get the infection. According to this theory, the damage on the back of the head happened after death, while in the tomb. Yet another theory states that Tut's advisor, killed Tut by smashing a heavy object in the back of Tut's head. Then went on to marry Tut's former wife, then killing her. Finally, who was now the pharaoh after marrying Tut's wife, married Tai before I's death 3 years later. Even other theories state King Tut was killed when a chariot ran into him, specifically the wheel. As it seemed, a tall, blunt object hit the king in the torso down to the pelvis. This impact would have been fatal. Another theory states that while on a military campaign in Nubia, the boy king died in battle. However, all of these theories are speculation. In fact, a theory that is disputed, but still not proven to be impossible, was the theory that Tut was attacked by a hippopotamus. Hippopotami are currently extinct in Egypt, but they were very likely native to the area in ancient times. Hippopotami are very aggressive and powerful. Even in modern times, there are many fatalities due to the creature. In Egypt, hippos were one of the 3 creatures combined to make Ammit the Devourer, as well as lions and crocodiles. All 3 were known as man-eaters, so this theory could likely be true. As of now, there is no possible way to know what caused the end of Tutankhamun. Only likely, or at the very least possible scenarios. What do you think killed Tut? Post in the comments below, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Canva link, which if you click it, you get 1 free premium icon after making a design, if you have never used Canva. Check out my website, link in the description. My website is going to start getting videos exclusive to it, so if you go onto the website, you can see videos that you can't see anywhere else. Check out Crafty Cabbage, who's an amazing DIY channel. Check out my second channel, Quickle Tech. If you click the link on the right side of the screen, then it will bring you to a video meant just for you. If you click on the link on the left side of the screen, then you get the most recent video as of you watching this. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time on Quickle Pickle. Goodbye!